to find a better tripod. But hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time since I last vlogged. I think last time that I vlogged was Easter, about a month ago. It's Memorial Day weekend. Today is Memorial Day. She's coming. Do you want to color? Do you want to say hi to my vlog? Say hi. Say hi. Good morning, vlog. Oh, now you want to be with mama? Color. She was just coloring right now, and so I decided to pick up the vlog camera and vlog a little bit. Sorry you guys can't see me though. I'm like squatting because I don't have a tripod. Well, we're using my tripod for your projector so you can watch TV in your room, right? Yeah. Okay. Oh, so it is 9:30. We just woke up and our place looks a little bit different because we just moved. And I mean, there's some stuff that's like stuff like that, like boxes and just stuff that is like not where they're supposed to be, little by little. So we're getting used to the new place, right? How do you like your new place? Are you shy? You're so funny. But I'm just making myself breakfast for Leia and I. I'm going to make boiled eggs and a bagel and some fruit. Right? You're silly goose. Yeah, there's not really much I did over the weekend. I wanted to go to the zoo, but yesterday she was super wild. Yeah, you were super wild yesterday. That's white.
Blue.
White.
White.
Good job. What else? Red. Good job. I know a lot of my family and friends have been requesting me to vlog again. Sit. But I don't know, I don't have any ideas of what to vlog and stuff. So if this video is not interesting, then I'm really sorry. I'm trying my best to start vlogging and getting better to, I guess, put content out there, right? You can sit and color over here, okay? Whee! Yep, I already gave you berries. Let's put them back. Thank you. Alright, so I'm making like breakfast. She has boiled eggs, which is only like the white part. She has berries, and I'm also going to add a little bit of cheese. There always has to be cheese in my house. Cheese can never be out of stock in my fridge because she is a cheese lover just like her dad, and they can both eat a block of cheese together in one day. Hold on. Thank you. Okay, let's have a seat and let's go sit down. Okay, let's sit down. Do you need help?
Help.
Say help, please.
Help.
Okay, I'll help you. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay.
Boom. Eat.
Eat? Yeah, you have your egg, your cheese, your strawberries, and your blueberries. Yummy? And I just have a blueberry bagel and a boiled egg. Are you a frog? Ribbit, ribbit. Ribbit, ribbit. You're a funny little goose.
It's an apple.
This is an apple. Apple.
Critical.
Where's the orange?
Oh,
Where is it? Show me. Where is it? Where's the orange? We're done eating breakfast, right, Leia? Now we're gonna brush our teeth. Brush your teeth? Daddy's in the room. You wanna go brush your teeth? Brush teeth? Oh, okay. I'm gonna brush my teeth. Brush teeth? Okay. Yay!
Yay!
I'm going to wash my face, and I'm going to be using the Youth to the People cleanser, and I love this cleanser. You're just watching Mama put on her stuff. Yeah. Are you all done? All done? Okay. Can I have your toothbrush? Thank you. Serious? You want to come say hi to my vlog? Alright, whatever, girl. I wasn't going to show you either way. Bye. Okay, so I'm just going to get ready. Just a tad bit. I'm going to put on the e.l.f. Grip Primer onto my skin. It's one of my best go-to primers. Alright guys, so it is much later. It is 1, and I tried putting Leia to nap just because this is the time that she goes to nap at daycare, but I didn't get so lucky today, and so I just left her at home with Alex while I went to the store and go get the stuff that I need to make hamburgers at home. I will take you guys along with me as well. Alright guys, so far I was lucky enough to get the hamburgers. Got Thousand Islands, ketchup, mayo, lemonade. I really want to try to attempt to make myself a iced peach green tea lemonade from Starbucks. I have the fries in the air fryer, and then I'm making the burgers. I don't know where to place you guys. Made burgers, fries are in there. That's my burger. I'm gonna prepare mine right now. So I use Thousand Islands instead of mayo. And mine is just a simple burger. I don't add any like lettuce, tomato, and onion to it. I'm just gonna make it super simple. Yummy? Yummy? Anyways, put you guys up here. Taste test.